Guys, Anand here, and welcome back to some more reaction videos. Today we'll be doing another reaction video. This is actually the Dino Pizza Challenge. This is actually by Toys Trains for You, and I know that he does some great videos. As you guys can tell, he already just made one, which is technically this is not the latest one, but he does make good one with with different stunts. But once again, this was called the Dino Pizza Challenge. As you guys can tell, we got some dinosaurs here. One of them is probably a car. One of them is that one, and the pizza store, I believe so. And McQueen, he's just chilling with Luigi's casserole tire. So it's pretty cool how it is. So yeah, guys. I guess for today's video is gonna be this one. We're just gonna be doing a nice simple reaction. This is a 5 to 6 minute video, so just to let you guys know. It's kind of like a medium-ish. Like it's not too short, not too fast. I think that's just right. 5 to 6 minutes. That's actually how it should be. Usually it would have been longer, but yeah, I'm good with this video for today. That's how actually he Toys Trains for You make video. He does make nice medium videos, not too long, not too. Well, he does make longer, but I don't think he does that anymore. But yeah. But anyway, we'll be just doing a nice simple reaction, and yeah, we're just gonna see how well we can do, and let's see who can win. We do have we do have some good what is it called, like good cars that we could that could win, that are really fast. But I don't know about this one. This is gonna be about like pizzas and dinosaurs, there's already dinosaurs showing up. That green one, yeah, and that pizza store looks like it's gonna be ruined soon. After probably watching the video, but probably at the end it'll be fine. So yeah. But yeah, guys, yeah, I guess we're gonna. So yeah, guys, 3, 2, 1. This is Dino Pizza Challenge by Toys Trains for You. So let's get started, ladies and gentlemen, for this video for today. All right, Dino Pizza Challenge. Love the music already. Hong Kong.
Hello and welcome to this Dino Pizza Challenge.
Knew it all. Yeah, here.
Unfortunately, some dinosaurs have taken over this pizza shop, and we need to scare them away.
I bet you do.
The rules are simple. One at a time, each competitor will jump onto this big pizza and enter the building.
Oh, that's gonna be a little difficult. A little different than the regular track.
And whoever goes the farthest wins. Wait a minute, I see a problem with this plan. What? No one here is a scary.
Yeah, that is kind of true.
Hey, I'm scary.
No, you're not.
No, I'm okay.
Hulk smash.
A little bit.
It's quite scary. I think the best way to scare a dinosaur is to use another dinosaur.
Yeah,
What
I guess
about the T-Rex?
He doesn't fit on this set.
Oh. Whoa. Who can that be? Ah, it's Blue.
It's Blue, the Velociraptor.
Yep.
You can scare away
He can
the
definitely scare them
dinosaurs.
alright.
Nice car, by the way.
Yeah, it is pretty cool.
Okay, everyone else, get into your vehicles.
Except for McQueen and Ace. But oh well, everyone else.
Okay, up first, it's driver funneling.
Alright, let's see what he can do, funneling.
He's in.
Alright, let's see what he's gonna do. Probably standard start. Yeah, I don't
set the
know.
marker for the others. Well done.
Yeah, I guess so.
Queen next.
Alright, surely he can do better.
Uh-oh.
Is he stuck? Oh no.
Oh dear, not strong enough to break out the front of the shop. So you're out.
Yeah.
Can Ace do any better?
Oh well, that stinks. As you guys could tell, this is Hot Wheels with the pizza. So obviously it's Hot Wheels brand. Oh, didn't make it.
Sorry, Ace. Hulk will definitely be strong enough.
Probably. Probably like judging by him. Yeah. Yeah,
Yes.
really good.
You've beaten the record, Hulk. Well done. Captain America.
Hopefully you can do it. Ooh, very
not
close.
a great landing, so you haven't gone very
Yeah.
far. Never mind. Woody's turn.
Oh, Woody. He's a brave cowboy to do. Definitely a brave cowboy. Ooh,
Oh,
barely.
yes, he's just beaten the record. Well done, Woody. Can Catboy beat the record again?
No, no more Catboy. He could be fast. We got a different angle now for the T-Rex. That's cool. Ooh, just
Yes, he
slide.
can.
Sorry,
Wow,
Woody.
great score, Catboy. You're now in the lead. Here's SpongeBob.
Oh, SpongeBob SquarePants. What?
SpongeBob, you don't fit.
Yeah.
Next.
Yeah, next.
It's the Flash. Looking good.
Ooh, I
It's
thought
just
you could
short
run
of the
fast.
record.
Man.
Almost Flash. We haven't scared the dinosaurs away yet. Can Batman do it?
Batman. Joker isn't here that time, so they can't really worse each other. Usually they would.
Close again.
Barely.
But not quite. Unlucky Batman. Now it's Bumblebee.
Bumblebee. Yes, the Transformers. Surely you can do better.
Uh-oh. He
Oh
couldn't
no.
wait out the
He's
fight.
stuck, just like
So no
Lightning
score
McQueen
for
and
him
Ace.
today. Here's Groot.
Oh, Groot. Yep, that's what I would probably would say if I was you. Ooh.
Sideways landing. So you didn't go very far. Maybe next time, Groot.
Yeah. I just like it how Ace and like fun driver fun just to watch it. Or probably went near them, I
Looking
don't
good.
know. Ooh.
Oh, he
Ooh.
did the same thing as Groot.
Yes.
You can't beat the record if you land sideways.
Yeah, you really can't.
Iron Man.
Iron Man, let's take a look.
Oh,
Oh,
well, he
he landed on
sideways as well.
sideways.
Well, he landed on his side. Impressive.
Impressive,
not
but
what we were after.
yeah. Otherwise, it
And
would have been
finally,
a
it's Blue.
Ooh, Blue.
She's scary enough to get rid of the dinosaurs, but can she beat Catboy's record?
Alright, changing the music a little bit, because
Here she
you know
goes.
it's gonna be impressive. A dinosaur versus a dinosaur. It's interesting how a blue
Out the front.
versus a green dinosaur. Ooh, I don't know. Ooh, not quite.
Oh, so close to the
Catboy
record,
just has
but
to
not
win.
quite.
Man.
Never mind, Blue.
It's okay, Blue. I mean, you
You
tried.
didn't win the competition, but did you scare away the dinosaurs? Well, no.
Yeah, it just wants to stay here and just
But
eat
I'll tell
pizza
you
the whole
who
day.
did win. It was Catboy.
Yeah. Woo! Good job, Catboy. You sure are a good winner.
Well done, Catboy. Looks like we'll have to get rid of those dinosaurs some other time.
Yeah, I don't know how that's gonna work.
Hi, I'm Dave. Thanks for watching my video.
Alright, yeah, so I think we're all done here. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna guess that does it for this video. Thank you guys so much for the video. I hope you can subscribe to my channel on the game because it's really shooting some more actual, not actual, yes, actual airborne, and also some reaction. I can't believe I said that, oh my god. But no, you'll be seeing reaction, yes, reaction videos, and also telephone solo. So all done here, that was pretty good, and we'll see how. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna guess that pretty much does it for this video. Thank you guys so much for the video. I hope you can also subscribe to Toys Trains for You, because I know he's gonna do some great videos along the way in the future. So we'll see how well we can do, because you never know what's gonna happen. But yeah, guys, pretty much besides that, I guess that does it for this video. Thank you guys so much for the video. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and we'll see how well we can do for these reaction videos, because they're pretty good, and I know like it. So we'll see how well we can do. But yeah, guys, I guess we're all done here. So yeah, guys, thank you guys so much for the video, and I guess I'll be seeing you in a show. Good, everybody.